this! Hey guys, today we're going to turn this baby alive Snackin' Sarah doll into Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's. Then we'll feed her stuff and she'll poop out stuff. You know, it'll be a whole thing. And be prepared because this video contains jump scares. So, let's get started. I bought this adorable bear costume for 18-inch dolls on Amazon, and I think it'll be perfect for a Freddy Fazbear suit. First, I'm going to cut off all her hair, because I really don't need it in the way while I'm painting her, and she's going to be living in a bear costume forever, so we don't need it anymore. Next, we've got to make her face look like it has fur on it. To do this, I'm going to use different shades of brown and try to give it a textured look, so that it kind of looks like Freddy's fur. Now we'll use black paint to outline the eyes. And we'll paint her nose black. Add 3 whisker marks on each cheek. Then we'll paint on triangle eyebrows. And last, we'll paint on white teeth on the baby's lips. Now let's dress her in the bear suit. And let's not forget the bow tie and top hat. Wow, she is a surprisingly scary Freddy Fazbear. This is gonna be fun. Alright, let's make her some crazy treats out of Play-Doh. First, let's make a light bulb, because when the lights go out, Freddy attacks. And then let's make a microphone, because Freddy likes to sing. And last, let's make a Play-Doh arm, because Freddy likes to attack the Night Watchman. This looks like a great meal for Freddy. Hey Freddy, if you eat this light bulb, the lights might go out and then you can attack. Wouldn't that be fun? Hey! Whoa! Yeah, you got me, Freddy. That was funny. Now let's see what's in his diaper. Oh, it's a pizza. That makes sense. And a Marvel Comics blind bag. Hey, look, guys! We got the exclusive Silver Iron Man. How cool! Oh, baby Freddy. Hungry for, oh, I don't know, your microphone? I guess so. Now to the diaper. And this time we got a party hat. Hey, that's kind of cute. And a Five Nights at Freddy's blind bag. Oh, freaky! We got Balloon Boy! That is cool. I love these keychains. Okay, Freddy, I saved the best for last. It's a human arm. Well, technically it's a Play-Doh arm, so it's not really human at all. But you can pretend. Oh, he ate that so fast! Let's see what he pooped out. Hey, it's a balloon! Freddy Fazbear has lots of balloons. Let's smush it open! A Yowie! Cool! Open it up. Take off the chocolate. crack open the inside and... Whoa! You've got to stop doing that! I don't think I should have changed my Baby Alive into Freddy Fazbear. Oh well, let's see what we got. We got Squish! He's the cutest little purple monster. Alright guys, this has been one of the funnest Baby Alive videos I've ever done. Now we have a Freddy Fazbear Baby Alive forever, because I'm not taking this costume off. This is how this doll is going to stay. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day.